Hello everyone, welcome back to this Ecast Cloud. Now in this video we are going to learn about DDoS protection plans provided by the Azure. Okay, first of all we have to know we must have clear idea about this DDoS protection. So let's see what is DDoS protection. So let us take a scenario that scenario happened in Azure and our web service was hosted on one of the Azure services, let's say Azure App Service. Then in front of Azure App Service there would be a DDoS protection service which would filter the malicious traffic out and let the legitimate users in. One of the best things about the DDoS protection is that the basic plan. For now comes the plan. DDoS protection plans. There are two plans. The one is basic plan and standard plan. So what this basic plans do is, basic plan for DDoS protection comes with all of the Azure services by default, and you don't even pay anything extra. It's already included in the price of that service. But if you need more protection, this service comes with a standard plan. So here comes a standard plan which allows you to protect your application from some more sophisticated attacks. You create DDoS protection. Okay, now overall summary of this DDoS protection plans is this service is this service is from Azure, and it was designed to do two things: detect malicious traffic coming from the attackers while still allowing our legitimate users to connect to our services, but also to prevent customers from paying more if they have to auto scaling environment. So this is the second advantage of DDoS protection. Okay, if you think about it, if attackers will try to attack your service with hundreds of servers, all of that traffic might cause auto scaling features to create new servers in your application, and you will pay more. As we saw in DDoS protection has two types. One is called basic, which is automatically enabled for all of the other services. So if you use any Azure service which is exposed to a public internet and could be targeted by DDoS attack, and those are automatically protected by the basic tier of Azure DDoS protection, and the standard tier which provides additional mitigation and monitoring capabilities for all of the resources which are located within Azure virtual networks. One cool thing that we saw in standard tier uses also machine learning. So it uses that to analyze the traffic pattern of your application. So these are for traffic patterns for your application for better accuracy. So these are the plans of DDoS protection and also how it works. So hope you like this video. Thank you.